1603 Winchester update video. Beautiful area. Great day in Cleveland. You see? Let's go inside. We started this one this week, and it shouldn't take too long to get this one done. Remember those new steps we put there? Beautiful. Still. So let's go in here. So you can see they started painting in here. Oh, this is getting painted. There's a few trash things they got to take out, but nothing major. I think they're using that stereo until we leave here, so that's good. It's a Harman Kardon. It's actually a good one. And here's some more paint that they did. You can see they covered the floors. So, looking good. Same thing in here. Got this. And down the basement, they haven't done anything but your washer and dryer. Everything's right there. I was just down there. We'll get that heater service, but it's working good. So we should be, here's this too, by the way. This is kind of the difference in the paint there. Looking good. Let's go upstairs. And you can see they're catching this up and getting all this done. So they're getting a lot done. It's really looking good. And they'll get these floors, get this bathroom taken care of too. But right now they're just getting everything painted, taken care of. So you can see how good looking that one's is. So again, this house is moving along. It's moving along good. Shouldn't take too long to get this one done. So this is your first update video. There won't be very many, but thanks. So hope you guys have a great day.